I was working on a little project this morning and something hit me. So I decided to take a break and talk to you about it. Reminded me of something that we all know, but sometimes we forget. This area that I'm showing you right here used to be a really big, beautiful fishing pond. That was years ago, before we had bought the property. Neighbors used to fish here all the time, and they said they loved bringing their families here and bringing a picnic, just relaxing and doing a little bit of fishing. And now look at it. From what I understand, the problem started small, but the people who lived here before ignored it, just like we often do with our problems in life. The problem is, when you ignore something, it doesn't just go away. Truth is, it gets worse. And this is an example of that. You can see back here, the pond that used to be on this property, once the levee broke, is now on the neighbor's property. When you ignore problems, they don't go away. What they tend to do is just get a whole lot worse. And that's the lesson right there. And sometimes you lose something that you've worked a long time to build. And that's kind of a case in point here. Since this was let go for so long, this entire area was overgrown. You can see some of the trees I've cut out and the stumps I've been digging out. This whole area was filled with brambles, wild rose, raspberries, all of that completely overgrown. It took a long time just to get it back to this point. And that's kind of the point I'm trying to make. When you let things go, buddy, it's going to take a whole lot longer just to regain where you had originally started from. Some days it feels like I'm not making a whole lot of progress, but at least I'm not falling behind on this anymore. And that's how life goes sometimes. Nobody builds a life that they want by accident. It takes work, it takes time, and it takes responsibility. So just don't ignore the problems. Even a little progress beats quitting. So that's my message for y'all today. God bless, and remember, forge your life.